Hello friends, I am Simi. I am here with a new edition of GPS Simulator by ViewTalk. I would demonstrate a set of high-level features and its applications in this small video. I have saved connections configuration. This is an excellent feature of ViewTalk GPS Simulator. You can configure n number of connections and do simulation together through all connections at once. At present, two types of connections are supported, serial port and TCP/IP. ViewTalk GPS Simulator acts as a virtual GPS device that can generate NMEA sentences in three different input modes. The first one is map input mode, the second one is log files playback input mode, and the third one is non-input mode. In map input mode, you can just choose start and end points, then press GPS simulation button. It would start simulating NMEA sentences in tracking mode through connected channels. In log files playback input mode, you can play NMEA log files in loop with specific loop intervals. It would also draw the track path followed in file on map. Non-input mode helps you when you want to type NMEA sentences for simulation. Not only NMEA sentences, you can send any data through communication channels. You can also send files in loop. This way, this product can also be used for a real GPS device testing and development. Logger is a simple and powerful tool of ViewTalk GPS Simulator that helps you to save NMEA data in different formats from different sources for future analysis purpose. That is all for this quick demo on a feature subset of ViewTalk GPS Simulator. There are dozens of other features like NMEA sentences selection, NMEA generation time, interval settings, real-time stamping during log files playback, CRC calculator tool, etc. to fulfill your all GPS simulation and development needs. I hope you would have enjoyed this demo. Please view a lots of attractive features list on our website www.viewtalkgps.com. For any questions or clarification, please feel free in writing to me at simi@viewtalk.com.